Okay, let's do this song by the Flaming Lips called You and Me Selling Weed in the key of E. Two, three, four. I think it begins with 4 measures of E. You and me. Goes to A. Back to E. And it repeats. That section repeats. So after it goes through the verse twice, it goes to the chorus. It's the structure of the chorus. A. Back to E. This is the chorus. Then it goes to G sharp minor. Goes back into the verse. Okay, and then when it comes out of the chorus, it goes to a verse with a guitar solo. And they're just playing this E shape bar chord. Well, they're playing the first, the strings 1 and 2. They're playing the melody of the song for the guitar solo and on these strings, and they're letting them ring, and then it goes back into the chorus. So it's kind of like all played on this 7th fret. Your index finger will be anchored. After the guitar solo, go to the chorus. So it's A, E, and that's where you play the G sharp minor. To A. To E. So we have the guitar solo, then we come back to the chorus, then it goes into, for the next verse following, it goes into a double time. But it's still playing the same chords. There's a synthesizer playing the melody. So it's just, instead of playing on the 1 for the guitar or the keyboards, it's playing it on the 1 and 2. Two and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. So following the synthesizer solo and the double time section, it goes into the chorus again. Freedom. Of the song, after the final chorus, it goes back to E like it's going to go into a verse. But instead of going into the verse, which would go to an A, it goes to G sharp minor. Plays that like 4 times maybe. Synthesizers go up, and what's being played there is a E flat minor, and I'm just playing it on the top strings because the synthesizer is playing it up an octave. it goes from this shape on the 6th fret, and add in that E flat minor, which is nice. And dream, do. Okay, I think this song is going to be a big one because of the lyrics. They're really kind of genius lyrics, and I think this will become a classic.